President Aquino led Team Pinoy's campaign sortie in Cebu after being absent on the coalition's campaign sortie in Dumaguete. Ina Andalong filed this report.
It was the president's first official campaign sortie outside Luzon. Team Pinoy campaigned in Cebu, the most vote-rich province in the country with about 2.5 million registered voters. While national candidates usually fight over the Cebu vote, only half of Team Pinoy were there. Senator Coco Pimentel, Bam Aquino, Risa Ontiveros, June Magsaysay, Jambi Madrigal, and Grace Poe. Except for Pimentel, these are the candidates who seem to need more support as they haven't performed well in surveys. Candidates who begged off sent proxies. Among all the candidates, Poe's speech turned out to be the most surprising when she became emotional, recalling how she claims her dad was cheated in Cebu in the 2004 presidential election.
Mahirap talaga pag ang dinadala mo yung laban ng tatay mo.
In his speech, President Aquino apologized to residents of Dumaguete City for failing to attend an earlier sortie there because of the bad weather. He said he made sure not to skip Cebu.
Sa mismo lakas ng Cebu pa rin ako umaasa para matyak na hindi tayo atras sa landas kung saan nakasanayan na ang pagyayabang ng estatistikang gawa-gawa lang.
The president took a swipe at suspended Governor Gwen Garcia, who is running for a congressional seat under UNAM. He said why LP's gubernatorial bet Hilario Davide III is the better candidate.
Hindi niya masisikmura ang katiwalian. Hindi siya magpapaanod sa tukso ng yaman at kapangyarihan. At hindi makukulong sa Kapitolyo para takasan ang pananagutan.
The president then went ahead and again criticized UNA's senatorial slate for pretending